Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Pin Culture. So there's two different subscription boxes with this company. One of the subscription boxes you get bobby pins and hair ties, but they also have a big kid surprise box that contains 5 to 6 hair accessories every month. I'll put all the information and the differences between the boxes, prices, and all that in the description box below. And she also gave me a coupon code, so make sure you check them out if you'd like to purchase something. And I just want to say, look how cute this packaging is. Little bunnies and flowers. It just screams spring, and I love that. I love the little packaging details. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So I do have two packages because one has a headband and she didn't want to get squished with everything else, so that's why there's two. But they do have a baby and a toddler box. I told her that I would probably need the big kid box for two reasons. First reason is that Raylan is practically bald and she also has a big head, so that's why I got the big kid box. So I see that there's an invoice on top. I'm going to remove that real quickly because it has my mailing information on it. Okay, so that's actually kind of a good idea. The invoice is like a sticker that seals it all together. It's all wrapped in tissue paper. So let's take a look. Oh, how cute. That's a good idea too. She has her little business card and she put the little hair clips on there. New subscriber coupon code. I love those. So we got pink and purple, and then they have different colored stars on them. I could definitely see getting a lot of use out of that. We also have, this is super soft. Oh, it's kind of one of those that look like a wrap, kind of, because it crisscrosses over. That's cute, and that will fit her head. It's nice and stretchy. I love the pattern. Nice floral design. She's not much for cooperating for pictures, but I'll see if she'll let me take one, and then I can insert it at the end if she allows me to. This is cool too. This is like braided. Yellow, white, pink, blue. A little bit of a flower pattern in there. Then we also have two little bow clippies. So we have the blue one and a pink one. Those are perfect. Look at these. I really don't do much to my hair, so I'm excited to have a daughter so I can experiment with her hair and put these little clips in. So they look like flowers. They're little clippies. So we have purple, brown, pinkish color, and green. That's super cool. And then, like I said, there's a headband over here that's nicely wrapped. So we'll take a look at that. Aww. So it's a headband, you know, the plastic one's inside, but it's wrapped in a fabric. And there's a little bow on top. The fabric has little hearts with mustaches. And it looks like maybe a little bear and bunny. So there's little animals on it. That's cute. I like that. Very nice. So you can find Pin Culture on Cratejoy. I will leave all the information below and that promo code that I talked about. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.